It's true. Hippopotamuses don't just sweat like us, they secrete a reddish-orange, oily substance from their skin. This unique fluid serves multiple purposes, acting as both a natural sunscreen and an antiseptic. It protects their sensitive skin from harmful UV rays during the day and prevents infections from bacteria in the water. So, next time you see a hippo sweating red, remember it's just their amazing natural defense system in action. It's an incredible example of nature's ingenuity. Follow for more fascinating animal facts.